2005 Haas SL-20T with tailstock. Haas value option package A. Tool presetter, 20 horsepower vector dual drive motor. High intensity lighting. Haas CNC control. Coolant pump. Shipping bracket. Chuck pedal. Chip auger. Floppy disk drive. Machine is in very nice condition and sits on our floor in Dundee, Florida. Sheet metal, all in very good condition. No obvious signs of damage from rigging or moving. Serial number is 69179, manufactured new in January of 2005. It's wired low voltage 208 230. Okay. We're going to start out at 500 RPM on this and with the hard jaws on it. Don't want to go too fast. That's 500. Nice and quiet. Hey, if you want to just take it right up to say like 2500 from there without 2500. Eight and a quarter inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck. Has a set of hard jaws. Tool presetter. There's your tailstock. Programmable tailstock. This is a 10-station block style turret. Some tool holders on there. It looks like we have 5 boring bar holders, a facing holder, and on the ID of the turret, some of the rectangular turning tool wedges. All the guarding appears to be in nice shape. Chip auger screw down there in the base. Your machine hours. Spindle run time 86:15 and change. In motion time 65:51 and change. And the actual power on time is over 21,000 hours turned on. Machine is nice and quiet. Some Z-axis movement. X-axis. tailstock body. We'll move the turret. Seems to come out and seat itself fine. The machine was said to be in very good working order when it was purchased from a client who purchased a new machine tool. That's good. Tool presetter. Works in all four directions on the sensor. So look inside the electrical cabinet. Got the Haas vector drive, very clean.